All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you some type tool tricks. We've got an area type and point type. So this is point type. I'm just going to say hello world. And if I was to keep typing, I'm just going to keep going here. Man, it just goes, right? There's no box that it's containing. I hit return, so that's how you have to do it here. Which, I mean, I do that most of the time with almost anything I lay out, but certain times you do need paragraphs and they need to be contained. So same tool, you click and drag, and now you've got a box, right? So that's awesome. But there's a little more to it than that. So I'm just going to leave actually Adobe's placeholder text there. Now I'm at the end of this box; it's full, so I'm going to keep typing. And now I got a little red box there. That means overset text. The box is too small for all the text, so I just made it bigger. Another workaround for that is if you have this, you can double click in there like as if you were going to type and just hit edit, select all. All right, where is it? Oh, select all, sorry. And make the font smaller. I mean, that'll work if you need to keep it, within this one exact spot. And now for the grand finale, we have our point type, which we know is not in a box. If we go to type, it says convert to area type, which is the box type. And then if you click off of that and click on the area type, then you'll see convert to point type. So now it's just like this one. So there's no more box. I can just now type, until just like the other one. And now I can go up here and I can hit convert to area type. And now this is in a box. So the minute I go to the end and keep typing, and overset text, just like I showed you a second ago. So now we've converted that one into a box. So that is point and area type. I hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.